This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about macaron boxes, specifically these Sweet Vision macaron boxes. They're a clear plastic box made for your French macaron, and they fit 5. They are 7.5 inches long by 2.5 wide and 2 inches deep, allowing you to fit 5 macarons in there really easily. And they feature a great double layer protection. You have that outside box and then also an insert that you can see is a nice little clamshell style insert for you to put those macaron in, and it gives them a nice little safety, nice little protection, keeps them from being jostled around and keeps them right in their own little spot. The boxes themselves are shipped flat and are really easy to fold up and assemble. They also feature a clear film that can easily be removed once your boxes are assembled and filled. That means you don't have to worry about preventing smudges or fingerprints or removing them once they're done. It's really easy to add things like branding, ingredient labels, or to dress them up with ribbons, ties, and tags, making these perfect for caterers, party planners, but also bakeries and patisseries to pack small orders or to pack up favors for things like weddings. So these are great not only to use at events, but also for retail sales.